Hey, hello everyone. How you all doing all now? Today we'll discuss about the top 7 best Angular courses that are online, that are free and paid also, and all the courses links are given below in the description box. Make sure and go and check out it after the ending of this video. And you want more update about the online courses? Subscribe our channel Course Avatar also. Click on the bell icon to get updated. Hey, anyway, let's start it. Our first course is the Angular, the Complete Guide course by Udemy. This course is the best Udemy course which provides to students a mastery in the Angular 13. And this course covers the Angular, then basic TypeScripts of the Angular. In this course, we learn to make the complex and scalable web applications using Angular 14 and make the single page web applications using modern JavaScript frameworks and understand the Angular framework fundamentals and understand how data binding and pipes works. This course is for the beginners or front-end developers who wish to learn modern JavaScript frameworks and want to develop a deeper understanding of the Angulars. If you want to learn this course, go and check out the link given below in the description box. Now, our second course is single page web application with AngularJS. This course is provided by the Coursera and offered by the Johns Hopkins University. In this course, you cover AngularJS, web development, unit testing, JavaScript, and learn everything about AngularJS. And you will learn make use reusable HTML components and make the fully functional and test web applications with AngularJS. And this course is especially for the intermediates who know the Angular but want to wish to learn AngularJS. If you want to learn the AngularJS, go and check out the link given below in the description. Second course is full stack web app development with Angular Specialization. Course is also by the Coursera, and this course is offered by the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. In this course, you will learn to create hybrid mobile and web solutions and learn the CSS, TypeScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and learn about the UI frameworks of the client side and reset full API communicate with the client side. MongoDB to implement the NoSQL databases. This course is especially for the people who have previous experience in CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. If you want to learn this course, go and check out the link given below in the description box. And the fourth one is the best course. Angular 14 is a full new course of 2022 for the beginners. This course is on the YouTube channel. It's totally free course. YouTube channel. The name is channel's name is Bitfumes, and here you will learn the Angular from the scratch and the concepts also, the firebases about the Angular and the concepts of pipes, ng4 custom models, tailwind CSS stylings, how we deploy the firebases or how we can log in it or register in the firebase. It is for the people who are beginners, have no experience in the Angular or TypeScript. This course is perfect for them. You want to learn the Angular 14, the new version of the Angular, go and check out the link given below in the the fifth one is the Angular Testing Masterclass. It's all by the Udemy, and it's all of the new version of Angular 14. It's created by the Angular University. Here you will taught about the end-to-end testing along with the CI. Here you will learn Angular 14 unit testings and fundamentals of testings, E2 E2E testing using by Cypress and service testings, Angular concepts, testing fundamentals, and learn about coding in GitHub and to making the per section downloadable zip files, make the user interactions. It is for the Angular developers who want or gain the deeper knowledge in end-to-end testing or Angular unit testings. If you want to learn it, go and check out the link given below in the description box. Now, the sixth one course is the Angular Code Deep Dive course. Beginner to the advanced level course is this, and this course is also created by the Angular University and it's provided by the Udemy. Here we learn the advanced Angular core features along with the common models of the Angular. You will learn the Angular elements, custom models, and learn about the custom models, initializations, custom pipes in details. You will be confident in the topics like project content projections, dynamic templates, Angular elements, and many more things. You will create the Angular components and how we can style them. It is for the developer who wants or gain a deeper knowledge in the Angular frameworks. You want to learn these things, go and check out the link given below in the description box. Now, our the last course is Angular Basics. In this course, we're gonna find on the Simply Learn. It's provided by the Simply Learn, and here we'll get the deep understanding of the front end development using of the Angular, and you will learn from the beginning level. And here you will learn about how we can make single web page applications using the Angular, like Angular routing services, bootstraps, and all the concepts of Angular. It learn about the Angular forms, its components, its routing, and basically you will learn the difference between the Angular and React VUE. It's especially beneficial for the people who like the full stack developers, architects, or technical project managers or UI developers. If you want to learn this course, go and check out the link given below in the description box. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.